Hello everyone. Today we will going to discuss about the total quality management. It is the projection of our government to empower the good quality of a life. Quality Council of India works in that perspective only. To bring quality in the education, in healthcare, in clean environment and in productive employment. Now, the million-dollar question is that what is quality? Today's discussion is completely based on total quality management. How we can achieve it? What are the approaches of total quality management? Total quality management works on basic principle, that is, do the right thing, right at the first time and every time. That means the target of each organization must be that we have to perform the task in the first go with the right process and with right quality. Quality work is simple formula, that is plan, do, check and then act. For having a better understanding about the quality, we must know why we need total quality management. Why we need to know about the total quality as a whole. So total quality management helps the company to provide the better customer satisfaction, which leads to happy customer. It also assists in bringing the improvement in organization. That improvement leads to employee satisfaction. And satisfactory employee bring the proper utilization of resources. These are the four basic things that why one TQM need in the organization. TQM ensure the delivery of a quality product and service and thus has become the need of every organization. Next is pillar of TQM. Pillar is a structure which provides the support. In the same way, 5 pillars of total quality management provide the support and assistance to the organization. Product is the first and foremost pillar of TQM. It is necessary to have a best quality of product to serve the market. Next is process, which focuses on working pattern of the organization. Organization must have a proper process of all the activities. Next pillar is commitment. It is always required to bring the true commitment to your suppliers and customer. And leadership. Leader is the person who lead the follower and provide the path. Similarly, manager must work as a leader with the full sense of responsibility and accountability. The last pillar in this is organization itself. Organization which perform with its mission and visions. So TQM stands on that 5 pillars of one organization. Organization must need product, leadership, process, commitment and its mission, visions and objectives. Next is 6 C's. If we talked about 6 C's, it is essential part of a proper implementation of a total quality management. For that, the very first C in it is commitment. Commitment, as we already studied in one of the pillar, it's important in TQM also. A clear commitment must be provided to all the associates, which help organization to flexible and adopt the changing attitude and breaking down the barriers to improve the quality. Next is culture. Culture and attitude have a greater effect in the practices of organization. That's why change is required to encourage the individual contributions and to make the quality a normal part of everyone's job. Continuous improvement, considering that total quality management is a process, not a program. Process that organization committed in the long term to never-ending search for the way to do the better job. There will always be a room for the improvement. That's why continuous improvement is the 1 C's. Corporation, or we can say that the application of total employee involvement is important. Total employee involvement work as in a one principle in the paramount. the involvement and cooperation must be there for the development of improvement. Next is customer focus. The need of a customer are the major driving substance, not just the external customer but also the internal customers. Perfect service with a zero defect in all that is the acceptable at external and internal level both. So total quality management implementation focuses on both the customers. Then control. Control is documentation, procedures, awarenesses of a current best practices are very essential in TQM implementation functions. Therefore, need of a control is required for the quality improvement. Our next understanding is approaches to maintain the quality. There are three approaches to maintain the quality. The very first is award criteria approach. Second is benchmarking approach. Third is Six Sigma approach. The first, award criteria approach. In this model, an organization uses the criteria of a quality award. For example, Deming Prize, European Quality Award or National Quality Awards. This is to identify the areas for improvement. Under this approach, total quality implementation focuses on meeting the specific award criteria. Although some arguments are there, but some organizations do use this approach and it can result in improvement. There are 7 categories in this approach. On the basis of this category, organization can measure or implement the quality. These categories are leadership, business result, strategic planning, customer and market focus, information and analysis, human resource and process management. Now, the next approach is benchmarking.
As we seen, benchmarking is evaluate something by the comparison with a standard.
So we can say that it's a measurement of a quality of an organization's policy, product, program, strategies, etc. and their comparison with the standard measurements. That simply state for evaluating on quality we had to set a standard first. Benchmarking provides an inventory for the creative changes that other companies have enacted. The objective of benchmarking are to determine what and where improvements are called for, and to analyze how other organizations achieve their high performances level and to use all the information to improve the performances. Next approach is Six Sigma. Six Sigma basically work on measurement. Yes, it is a measurement of a quality. If one organization achieves Six Sigma, then the product quality of an organization will definitely be improved. Let's see how. So as you've seen, Six Sigma always help an organization to improve in the product quality. Now the question arises, how improvement is so sure? Because Six Sigma quality means work on almost perfect product quality. Now how? By seeks to find and eliminate the causes of defect and error. That is, organization always try to work on the zero defect strategy, or based on the statistical measurements of 0.1 or 3.4. That means fewer error and defects per million opportunities. In that only the Six Sigma be worked, or we can say that Six Sigma is just an extension of TQM, or we can say more advanced version of TQM, with the aim of taking the processes and product quality to level where the customer requirements or wants are fulfilled. So thank you.